That's all she wrote. Bench is set, floor is set. Now I'm gonna set the curb, and then it'll be good to go for tomorrow. Sprayed out these walls a little bit since they built this tile off the wall, so that way I have less to put on the next day. There we go. Okay, so I got this back wall up over here. The client wanted to run it vertically. Did the best I could with it here. Same thing on this wall. Now this tile is actually about 1/8 inch smaller, so the joints aren't going to be exact, but you know, you got to adjust them where you can and make it look good. This is a repair, so nothing's going to be exact as it would if we redid everything, but it's coming out pretty good. And so this whole section over here is done. Back around. So I'm going to continue on with the bench, but that wall, and both sides of the curb. So that's where I'm at. Okay, here we are back. All the wall tile is set. So to get all this set, both sides of the bench, both sides of the curb yesterday. So today, I'm going to grout everything in, let that dry for a little while, and silicone where I need to. And this shower will be back in business. Came out pretty good, pretty good. That cup is dead on. That one's pretty good. That one's pretty good. Okay, that's all she wrote. All these in. Everything siliconed in. Changes of plane, color matching silicone here. On the curb, the vertical corners, and around the bench. So this job is completely done. Again, I just did the bottom section here, complete rebuild. Everything waterproof, watertight, flood tested. This shower is good to go for another 20 years. So that's that. If you wonder why it's dark in the corners, it's just from the dish soap on the silicone. Otherwise, everything is good to go. 3 washes, microfiber, nice and clean.